Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. How about a British racing green little sports car, European Roadster, 1951 MG TD, in very nice shape. It actually underwent a body-off-frame professional restoration back in the mid-'80s, but it's been really well cared for and maintained since then. And it comes with a lot of good documentation, including a lot of ownership history going back into the '80s. It's got some good stuff right here. You can go to volocars.com and you can read the story and look at all the pictures. That's also where you'll find a price tag on every car, including the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, these are cute little cars, easy to work on, just fun to drive. I love the sound, I love the shifting, I love arm hanging out, just a fun little car. Body was off the frame. It was done by Ken's Classics up in Wisconsin. They're a real restoration shop, not just a little body shop doing this on the side. And at the time, everything was redone, and the front end was all rebuilt, and everything was painted and restored, so it still looks very good. And since then, it's been maintained. There's a whole list here of work that was done in the last few years. Tie rod ends, wheel cylinders, seals, bushings. There has been proper maintenance done. The muffler looks really good. Everything's solid under the car, too. These actually have a rack and pinion steering in front. They have drum brakes all the way around. This one's upgraded with an electric fuel pump. What else we got underneath there? Look up at the motor and the transmission. They're spotless. They're clean. It is a 4-speed manual transmission. So underneath's clean. The body really shows well too. When they took this apart, there's wood structure in these cars. They literally disassembled this car. They replaced all of the wood. The metal was restored. There's no rust, no damage. But I'm going to really look at it to verify that. This is all straight and all real nice. The fenders, all this metal, the body I'm looking at is really nice. Straight, no damage, no issues. That means it was done right. All this is in great shape. I don't see any problem areas at all. The body is really nice. Now it's repainted the British Racing Green. Nice, smooth, glossy paint job. You walk up on it. It's really sharp looking. It's got 2 chips right here, actually 3 chips. Has nice green piping between the fenders. This is the actual gas tank. And this is all painted very nicely, smooth and glossy. Minor imperfection here and there. A little pimple right there. Something a little weird right around the gasket. Maybe gas was dripped on it. A few scratches here from the side. The convertible top being put up. The hinges have a little paint flaking off of them. So minor imperfections, but again, it shows real nicely. There's a touch-up right there. So the grille looks like it's original, has some gentle wear on it. The headlights were re-chromed a long time ago. Got a couple little marks, but they're nice and shiny. The mirrors and turn signals all look good. Bumpers were re-chromed. They look really sharp. Nice windshield. It actually folds down. You just loosen these wing nuts and it folds flat. Also has wing windows on the side. The little chrome handles on the hood say MG right on them. You have steel rim with real nice center hubcaps. The tires were replaced 5 years ago, so they're still real good. The rubber strips on the running board's real nice. Yeah, it has the nice spares, never been used. The convertible top is in excellent shape. There's pictures on our website. This here is a tonneau cover. There's enough material here, it actually will cover the whole thing. It's easier than putting the top up if you were to park it somewhere or get caught in the rain or something like that. So the outside of the car, as far as I'm concerned, it looks great. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Well, as I said earlier, they're very simple cars. You got a little tab here, it says MG, and you pop it open, that's your gas cap. But your gas gauge would be a wooden stick. You put a wooden pole down there and you pull it up and you see if it's wet, and that lets you know if you have gas or not. So yeah, very simple car. You don't have a trunk, but there's plenty of space. Under here is completely empty. You just unsnap this cover. There's lots of room there. The seat actually folds forward as well. Real wood dash, has the original gauges, tachometer, horn. Yeah, pretty big glove box. Here comes with this paperwork. Now this amazes me. Who needs a cushion in an MG? Yeah, probably for the back so you can reach the pedals. Must be a very short person to need a cushion. But anyway, the seats are genuine leather upholstery. The carpet is all redone. Nice bound edges, got the right shifter, it's got the e-brake, leather wrap around the steering wheel. So a little patina in here, but it's all very nice. Door panels look like they're replaced. Each one has a pocket. So nice, nice interior. Now the engine compartment. We'll open one side at a time. Can you show the little MG? I love that little detail. It's upside down right now, but MG. Little 4-cylinder motor. At the time of restoration, it was rebuilt, it was bored, it was balanced, it was completely redone. The crank was rebuilt, the head was machined. It was a complete engine rebuild. Dressed up with this nice aluminum valve cover with the MG logo on top. And you can tell just by looking at it, it's fresh. And I said ongoing maintenance. The cap and wires were recently redone. It is a 12-volt battery in these. The American cars are still 6-volt. Here's the original tags with the numbers and codes on it. And you've got a little toolbox here. That's your where you carry your tools. Let's open up the other side real quick. The old 4-cylinder motor has twin carburetors, stainless steel braided line. It's got dual horns. So there you have it. Good running little engine. Here's a nice, honest little sports car. Again, comes with the paperwork and documentation, so you know what you have here. Just overall very good condition. Just get in and drive it and enjoy it. That's what it's for not a lot of money. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Salesmen will be happy to answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.